Hi, first graders. Today we are going to review some teen numbers, and we're going to be talking about place value. Now, what I want you to remember is when we were playing Sparkle, and we would get around the circle and somebody would say 10, and then the next person in the circle, they wouldn't always say 11. What would they say? They would say 10, 1. And then the next person around the circle, they might say 12, or that's right, 10, 2. So we're going to be looking at some teen numbers, and we're going to really look at what they look like if we make them into blocks. So today I'll be using words like tens, place, and I'll be using words like ones, place. And that's what I mean by place value. So I'm going to share my screen with you and show you some blocks that I've got. All right. So you can see that I have a stick of 10. Pretty clear. Now I've had one more. Now I have one stick of 10 and one more. 10, 1. 10, 1. So I have 1, 10 and 1, 1. 1, 10. Now I have 1, 10 and 2 ones. We could say that 10, 2. The other word is 12, but we could say that 10, 2. And we have 1, 10 and 2 ones. So we write it with a 1 in the tens place to show that we have 1 10, and a 2 in the ones place to show that there are 2 ones. I'm going to go a little faster now. Let's count together. 10 and 3 more. 10, 3, 13. We have 1 10 and 3 ones. 10, 4, 14. 1 10 and 4 ones. I'm going to skip writing these next ones because I want you to say them with me. Let's go quicker. 1 10, 5 ones. 10 5, 15. 1 10, 6 ones. 10 6, 16. 1 10, 7 ones. 10 7, 17. 1 10, 8 ones. 10 8, 18. I get myself tricked. 1 10, 9 ones. 10 9, 19. Now here's where it gets trickier. From 19 we can add one more and have a 10, but the problem with the ones place is that only one digit gets to be there. We talked about 2-digit numbers, so only one digit gets to be in there. Can't have 1 0. That would be 10. So here's what we do. We line them all up, and that is the same as a 10 stick, and we trade it out for a 10 stick. So we have how many 10s? Can you count how many 10s? That's right. There are 2 10s. And how many tiny little ones are there? That's right. There are 0 tiny little ones there. So we have 2 10, 0, or 2 10, which is 20. Let's see what happens if we add a 1. I have 2 10 and 1 1. 2 10 1, 21. 2 10s and 2 1s. 2 10 2, or 22. Let's do 2 more together. 2 10s and 3 1s. 2 10 3, 23. 2 10s and 4 1s. 2, 10, 4, or 24. All right, today your practice, today your practice is going to be to look at some sticks and cubes or 10s and 1s, write the number for them, and then take it the other way. See if you can take it from the number and represent it with sticks and cubes or 10s and 1s. Let's see what you can do.